Right guys, I've just brought this for my new helmet, so I don't really know how good these are, to be honest. So yeah, I've not even opened it yet. So here goes. Yeah, this is very difficult to do one-handed. Okay, so that's what we get. If anyone's familiar with these and knows how to fit them, can you give me a shout? Because I've not actually ever fitted one of these before. So, might need some help or advice with that. Okay, so it looks like you might need an app or something to use it. What we got? Okay, that was like the one microphone or something. That must be the other one. Some sort of charging cable probably for that. And then I'm presuming this clips on the outside of the helmet, and that's a microphone. So yeah, I might have to try and get this fitted and see how it goes.